Hello friends, welcome back to the new video. In this video guys, we are going to talk about how to set date in Vivo Y15 as phone. Guys, you want to set your phone date, so you can set. In this video guys, I will show you how to set date setting in Vivo Y15 as phone. So first of all, open your phone setting. Guys, scroll it and guys come on system setting. The system setting as you can see here. Then guys click on date and time of setting. Guys click on date. So today is guys you can choose from here. Guys, you want to change this month. Example for guys, like today is guys 1st of July. So guys you can set here. Guys click on guys 1st 8 15 20 29 guys. So you can set from here guys. So example for guys, we will take this 1st of July and guys okay. So you can set from here date. Guys you can use date setting from here. So I hope friends you have understood how to set phone date in Vivo Y15s phone. So that's it guys, thanks for watching our video guys. Now we will meet on next video with new topic. Before guys, please go and like and subscribe my channel. Bye.